That was an incredibly stupid thing to do. Not to mention arrogant, pig-headed, macho, and... very, very sweet. I'm sorry.
I'm not. It's a stunner. Puts you in metabolic stasis for a few minutes.
You wanted him to see what it would feel like to kill someone.
Think it worked?
It worked.
Who are you kidding? You won't be happy stuck on that ship. I give you a month, and you'll be back here crying for me to give you another chance. Mark my words, Wildcat. I know your kind, and you will fight again.
Of course he will. Just not here.
I'm sorry for what I put you through. But don't worry. Seeing a dead body from my hands, it knocked me back to my senses.
I believe you, but I'd like some assurance it's gonna stick.
Excuse me?
Things like this, sometimes you can't stop all by yourself, no matter how much you want to.
Believe me, fighting's nowhere near as tough as this is gonna be.
How's he doing?
He'll make it. How about you? You recovering okay?
I've had worse.
I wouldn't brag about that.
Care to join me for a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
Good. You're buying.